as you can see, we're back in my aunt's garage. It's almost 3 p.m. and she comes back tomorrow. So I don't have much time. I have to do the timing belt. Luckily it's already off. The water pump, and then I'll check if it runs. Once I do that, then I will start on the fuel system. That shouldn't be too hard, but I just gotta be quick. So let's get started. Few things, and you want to make sure they're all OEM Subaru parts, minus the actual bearings for the timing belt. Those are Koyo and NSK. This I actually got from eBay, and now looking at it, this is the thermostat, comparing it to the one that I took out of my car. Things are different, so I'm returning this and I'm going to Subaru to get one. I don't trust it. But here we go. Water pump gasket. Right here is a water pump. Let's compare this to the OEM one. So this water pump pretty much matches my OEM one, or the one that came off the car, minus the fact that because my car is older, it actually had an NSK bearing, where now I looked it up as well and they don't. But here's a timing belt kit. I actually got it. It's specific for my car from Europe. I'll open it so you can see. First off, it's really nice packaging. I already opened this, so. The company is RCM Power Parts. It's a company in Europe, but as you can tell, it's already super nice box. You open it up, reminds me of getting cranks for my BMX bike, and comes exactly like this. That's in there. Boom. Super nice display. It's cool also how these bearings are still wrapped in the maker's packaging, Koyo. And then this little guy is NSK. I also decided to go with the higher performance belt, just because I'm doing it anyway, and I'm gonna get a little more power out of the car, so that's why I went with this. Now I gotta get to putting this on. There's actually this little gasket on the side of the old water pump, so I'm gonna reuse that. I cleaned it up. Fits nicely. Just gonna clean up all this other crap. Very nice. So make sure this is at top dead center. Same with right here. That's good. The double marks align. Make sure that marks even with this one. And same on this side. Now the timing belt. It said have the letters facing you. The dotted line is top dead center. Also, get a paint pen and these lines. Mark where they are. Oh, a little much. Got the timing belt on. As you can see, just threw the radiator and an alternator belt on just to see how it runs. Alright, plugged in the things that have to be plugged in temporarily just to see if it starts. I forgot to plug in the MAF sensor, so of course it's not going to turn over. Second try. Now that I know the car runs, I can put on this brand new timing belt cover and cover gaskets, because with my power steering leak, the old one warped and the crank pulley actually wore a hole in it. So now let's get to the rear coolant mod.
Spot?
And now the rear coolant mod is done. So later that night, I ended up making my polished intercooler piping look brushed, which you could actually check out in the previous video, as well as starting the fuel system, which you can see in the next video. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. But I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.